morning, students. Our next theorem is if S nothing but this equation represents, okay, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of second degree. Okay, so represents two lines not passing through origin. Then, so this means if this second degree equation represents pair of lines, two lines means pair of lines, that is actually here constant is there, so it is not passing through origin. Then, so to represent it, it is a pair of straight lines means that should satisfy these conditions. First one is delta is equal to ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. For this one, short form is determinant of ahg hb of g of c is equal to 0. This is very important notation. Just remember. So how to write means, here ABC you can remember, ABC write in diagonals, f g h are there, f af square bg square. Actually here f is a coefficient of y, g is coefficient of x, h is coefficient of xy. Okay. So from FGH order in alphabets also, FGH is the order. So from bottom you replace these two blanks with F and with these two blanks with G and these two blanks with H. First you write diagonals and F, G, H. If you remember like that, you can remember long time. Okay, so this short form is this one. If you expand this one, this determinant, you know how to expand. If you expand this one, you get same answer. So maximum you try to by heart this expression, ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. You read 10 times, you may get. Okay, and the second condition, h square is here, h is coefficient of xy, or in this formula af square minus bg square minus ch square. So h is actually here h square is coefficient of c. So with h you write ab. Okay, h square is greater than or equal to ab, and g square is greater than or equal to ac, and f square is greater than or equal to bc. So if this equation satisfies these two conditions, then you can say this represents pair of straight lines. Okay, that means we can write as this one as product of two straight lines. Okay, so nature of lines, those lines how it will be. Okay, those two lines. So condition, nature. So if delta is equal to 0 and h square is greater than ab, h square is greater than ab, very important notation. Delta is equal to 0 and h square is greater than ab, then those two lines are real and distinct. Already I gave formula, I gave conditions and natures for homogeneous equation. That means ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. For that one I gave conditions and nature. This one is for ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so if delta is equal to 0 and h square is greater than ab, then lines are real and distinct. If delta is equal to 0, h square is equal to ab, af square is equal to bg square, af square is equal to bg square. Okay, these two conditions, af square is equal to bg square, and s is a perfect square. That means the given equation, if you write as a square of a number, that means perfect square, whole square, something whole square if you write, then the lines are coincident, one is on another. Okay, and if delta is equal to 0 and h square is equal to ab, af square is equal to bg square, and s is not a perfect square, that means you cannot write it as a square of a number, something whole square you cannot write, then the lines are parallel but not coincident. Lines are parallel but not coincident. Next, fourth one, if delta is equal to 0 and h square is less than ab, then the two lines are imaginary lines, or we can say that is a point of intersection of given lines. That is nothing but a point of intersection of given lines. Okay, so these 4 points we have to remember. And you observe, if this represents a straight lines means this is the common condition. Delta is equal to 0 is a common condition. So maximum you try to get the nature of the lines, you have to find out h square and AB. If h square is greater than AB, directly you write this one. If h square is equal to AB, then is it possible to make a perfect square? Lines are coincident. Not a perfect square, lines are parallel but not coincident. So h square is less than AB, pair of a point of intersection of given lines are, you can say those lines are imaginary lines. So maximum try to avoid find the delta is equal to. If necessary, we have to go to this condition also. Okay. So based on this one question, two lines 9x square plus y square plus 6xy minus 4 is equal to 0 are parallel and coincident. Coincident only, parallel but not coincident, perpendicular they given. So about perpendicular I didn't give actually. So next class, mostly next class you may get about perpendiculars. So now come to the point. Given 9x square plus y square plus 6xy minus 4 is equal to 0. So actually this one you can do directly. Is it possible to make a pair of straight lines? Then you can see their nature. Those are parallel lines and coincident lines. Coincident only, parallel but not coincident. Is it possible or not? By seeing their original lines. Okay. So that is one method. Another method is go to formula. So here A is equal to 9, B is equal to 1, H is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3, C is equal to minus 4, and here G and F. That means X and Y terms not there. So G is equal to 0, F is equal to 0. First you find out H square is equal to 9 and AB is equal to 9. H square is equal to AB means, so they may be parallel but not coincident or coincident lines. So two possibilities are there. If it is a perfect square, then it is those are only coincident lines. If this is not a perfect square, so parallel but not coincident. Okay. See here 9x square plus y square plus 6xy minus 4 is equal to 0. Can you write as a perfect square? See here. So something whole square you have to write, but up to here 9x square plus y square plus 6xy, this one you can write as 3x whole square plus y square plus 2 into 3x into y. That means it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. The 6 we can write as, if you write 2 into 3. So that 3x, this is 3x whole square. So you can write as 3x plus y whole square, and we have left over 4. So this 4, with this 4 we cannot write it as a perfect whole square. Okay. So without this 4 you can write as a something whole square. That means total it is not a perfect square. Total it is not a perfect square means, so the lines are parallel but not coincident. In other words, if you do like this, so already we found 3x plus y. Directly if you come to this problem, 9x plus y square plus 6xy minus 4 is equal to 0. You can write 3x plus y whole square is equal to 4. So 3x plus y is equal to plus or minus 2. Actually root 4 you get. So plus or minus 2. One is 3x plus y is equal to 2 or another one is 3x plus y is equal to minus 2. These two are parallel lines but not coincident lines. Coincident means we have to get same answer. Here also we should get 2. Okay. So these are not coincident, only parallel lines. So only constants are different. Okay. Like that also we can do this problem. So with formula, without formula, directly factorization. By factorization you get the two linear equations, and by seeing them you can say their nature. Next one is, so based on pair of lines representing the value of k such that 3x square plus 11xy plus 10y plus 7x plus 13y plus k is equal to 0 represents pair of straight lines. So if it represents a pair of straight lines, then what is the value of k? Represents a pair of straight lines means first condition delta is equal to 0, second condition h square is greater than or equal to ab. Okay, so we have three conditions. So based on that one we have to do. Actually represents a pair of straight lines. Whenever they given, maximum you go for you opt the condition delta is equal to 0. So here I gave h square delta is equal to 0, h square is greater than or equal to AB, g square is greater than or equal to AC, f square is greater than or equal to BC. Those three conditions no need to check it out. If it according to the options, if it is necessary, you have to go for those second condition also. Second condition, three options are there. H square is greater than AB, g square is greater than or equal to AC, f square is greater than or equal to BC. Okay, these three conditions no need to go. See here, first you go for delta is equal to 0. To get delta, first A is equal to 3, H is equal to 11 by 2, B is equal to 10, G is equal to 7 by 2, F is equal to 13 by 2, C is equal to K. So what is the condition? ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. So here A is 3, B is equal to 10, C is equal to K, plus 2 into F means 13 by 2, G means 7 by 2, H means 11 by 2. Minus 3 into F means 13 by 2 whole square, minus B means 10 into G means 7 by 2 whole square, C means K, H means 11 by 2 whole square is equal to 0. This is 30K plus 13 into 11, 143 into 7, 1001 by 4, 2 get cancelled, minus 3 13 squares, 13 square 169, 3s are 507 by 4, minus 49 10s are 490 by 4, 11 square 121k by 4 is equal to 0. If you take 4 LCM, 4 3s are 120k, plus 1001 minus 507 minus 490 minus 121k whole by 4 is equal to 0. This 4 transposed to this side, that gives 0 only. So total we have 120k plus 1001 minus 507 minus 490 minus 121k is equal to 0. So here 120k minus 121k minus k, and 1001, this is 507 minus 499, that is 997. So 997 gives 1001 minus 997 gives 4. 4 minus k is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to 4. This is the answer for this question. Next one. Next question. Based on this pair of straight lines, it represents a pair of straight lines. The condition that the equation ax square, all these are level 1 classwork, 35th question this is. The condition that the equation ax square plus by square plus c of x plus y is equal to 0 to represents a pair of straight lines is. So actually represents a pair of straight lines. Actually in general form, if they given ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, we have represents a pair of straight lines means what? Delta is equal to 0. That is abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. In that formula, we substitute the values. What we get? Those are the options for us. So here, substitute here. C is equal to, according to this one, A is equal to A only, B is equal to B only, 2gx. So G is equal to C by 2, 2fy. So F is equal to C by 2 and C as 0. And H, there is xy, there is no xy term, so H is equal to 0. Substitute here A, B into 0 plus 2 into F means C by 2, G means C by 2, H means 0 minus A as A only, F means C by 2 whole square minus B as B only, G as C by 2 whole square minus C as 0, H as 0. 0 square is equal to 0. So this total 0, 0, this is also 0. So we have minus A square by 4 minus B square by 4 is equal to 0. So if you take minus common and C square also common, so minus of A plus B by 4 is equal to 0. Minus of A plus B by 4 into C square is equal to 0. So 4 transpose that side, that gives 0 only. So totally we have minus of A plus B into C square is equal to 0. This implies A plus B is equal to 0 or C square is equal to 0. That means A plus B is equal to 0 or C is equal to 0. So we have condition A plus B is equal to 0 or C is equal to 0, and they given one more condition based on AB less than 0 or greater than 0, like that. And if they given or they didn't give, sometimes they may ask this one also. H square is greater than AB. But in this 35th question, they didn't give about H square and AB relation. So they given A plus B is equal to A with A plus B and C, and with AB they given. See here, A plus B is equal to 0 means A is equal to minus B. That means both are in opposite sign. If both are in opposite sign, product becomes 2 less than 0 and C is equal to 0. So they given these three options. A plus B is equal to 0 or C is equal to 0 and AB is less than 0. So this condition they given in the 4 options in this question. So this is the option for this question. So sometimes they may ask h square is greater than ab, then you have to check for this one. So why h square is greater than ab? Here h is equal to 0, ab is negative, so 0 square is always that means 0, so 0 is greater than the negative number, so h square is greater than ab. This is also we can see.